time to fire up that grill. From smoked pork to smash burgers, outdoor cooking just tastes better. This is the Okie Smokin podcast. And here's your host, John Berry.
Welcome in to the Okie Smokin podcast special edition episode. This episode's less than 5 minutes and it's probably going to be closer to about 3. So we're just going to talk real quick about a live episode coming up on the Okie Smokin YouTube channel. And I'm going to be making alligator chili. It's going to be March the 10th of year 2024 at 1 p.m. So if you want to see the live broadcast, join me live. And I'm going to give you the ingredients I'm going to be using right now. Why would I do that? Well, it's simple, you see. You might want to cook along, and you can with me. So if you want to cook along in this broadcast, be sure you have the following items. Sunday at 1 p.m. I'm going to use 1 pound of alligator meat. Now, I know everybody won't have alligator meat, so that's fine. You can use ground beef if that's what you want, or any other protein. Heck, cut up some pork chops. I don't care. I'm also going to use 1 pound of sausage, some ground sausage. So I'm going to use some blue and gold sausage that they make right here around the Oklahoma area. Use whatever sausage you want. It's your chili. You can even change that up. Heck, I don't care. It's called Make It Your Way. After that, here's the ingredients that more or less matter. 2 15-ounce kidney beans and 2 15-ounce diced tomatoes, 1 onion, a couple cloves of garlic. I'm going to be using the kind that's already minced in a jar. I'm going to also need about 1 bell pepper, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, so be sure and get your chili powder. I'm going to use some cayenne pepper to heat it up, salt and pepper, and broth. Chicken or beef, I'm going to need about 4 cups of that for this cook. Of course, a skillet, I'll be using a cast iron. And you might want some olive oil or butter or something if you want to use that during the cook. That's up to you. Hey, those are the ingredients. If you go to my Okie Smokin, that's Okie Smokin YouTube channel, and look on the live section, you'll see the upcoming video. If it hasn't already been past the date since you listened to this podcast, you can click on it and find these ingredients. And if you just go ahead and make sure that you have those, you'll be able to cook along.
Thank you for listening to the Okie Smokin podcast. Episodes drop every Monday. Don't forget to follow this podcast, or you might miss out on some delicious creations. You can also find us on our website, okiesmokin.com, and on YouTube and other social media platforms. Until next time, keep firing up that grill.
There's a brand new feature available on the Okie Smokin podcast, and it involves you. That's right. Send me and Dolores a text, and it's never been easier. Simply scroll down to the show notes description, and you'll see where it says, send John and Dolores a text message. Click it. Talk to us. You're probably using your phone anyway, so do it now. Can't wait to hear from you.